Morning. This is the video to show you how to do Lab 2 number density. So today we're going to be determining density of objects, so you'll need to know the mass and the volume of the objects. The mass we're going to determine on the balances in the lab. Make sure you write down every digit that's on the balance in the lab. The volume we're going to determine in a couple of different ways. If you determine it by water displacement in a graduated cylinder, make sure when you drop your cylinder that you're measuring into the graduated cylinder, that you don't break the cylinder, gently drop it into the water. If we're going to measure the diameter of our cylinder, we're going to need a caliper. So there's an app you can download for your phone called Caliper. This is what it looks like on an Android. There's different ones for an Apple, but they still work the same. You just want one that's free. When you download it, basically you can squeeze these guys and make them skinnier or longer. So you can put your cylinder on here, and then you can squeeze the caliper so the distance is measured exactly, and you can read it on the side of the cylinder, and it will tell you the distance in centimeters right at the top. The formula for finding the volume of a cylinder is in your lab manual or your lab handout. Make sure with the caliper we're measuring the diameter, and you'll need to know the radius, so that would be half of the diameter for the formula. Also, make sure you watch the video on how to use Excel and graph lines in Excel, and you should be ready for lab this week. Have a great week.